everyone, here's how your mentor session sign-up sheets will work. So this is just a plain Google spreadsheet. The link to be able to get to this is going to be posted every Monday and Wednesday in your class announcements channel. There is a link here for you to be able to join, join your Zoom sessions. In case you have the sheet up and are ready to start your mentor session, you can just click on the link here to be able to redirect to Zoom, or you can copy and paste it in a new browser window, whatever is easiest for you. Okay, so let's take a look at these sheets. At the bottom, you'll notice tabs for different weeks. As each week of class comes along, then we'll add a new sheet. So there'll be a tab to the left of this one for next week for week of August 10th. And then the next one will be week of August 17th, and so on. The dates at the top here should also reflect the appropriate dates for the week. So just make sure you're on the right tab when you're getting ready to sign up for your week. And then we have this breakdown of Eastern, Central, Mountain, and Pacific time, just to make it a little bit easier to know what time your session's going to start if you're in a different time zone. For example, Mike Whitaker's is going to be Wednesday, August 3rd, starting at 7 p.m. if you're in the Eastern time zone, 6 p.m. if you're in Central, 5 p.m. in Mountain, 4 p.m. in Pacific. So the way to sign up for these mentor sessions, just find one on the day and time that you particularly want to attend. So let's say we wanted to do Friday the 5th with Jennifer and Muriel at 6 p.m. Eastern. Then all you have to do is just type in your name into one of the cells like so. And that's it. It automatically saves it, so you don't have to worry about losing any of that information. Just type your name in and you are good to go. Be sure to sign up for 2 sessions. There's one little difference here. So Mike Whitaker does have a corporate account for his Calendly and elected to continue to use the links. So you just have to click the link and then sign up as usual to be able to get to his mentor sessions. So just follow that for that portion. And then I have put in links for each of your by appointment mentors here. So if you want to schedule a one-on-one, you can still use Calendly to be able to schedule one-on-ones with those particular volunteers, mentors. If you have any questions, please let me know. And otherwise, hopefully this little video made it easy for you to figure out how we'll be using mentor session sheets going forward. Thanks and have a great day.